Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can completely uninstall the Valorant from your PC. If you going to uninstall it manually from your PC, then it is not going to delete completely from your PC. And if you can go to the Windows search, type the add or remove program, and if you type the control panel, and then you can simply search for the Valorant, and if you going to delete with this method, then it is not going to delete completely. So some files, some things, files or folder or registries remain into your PC related to the Valorant. So you need to just open up your any browser, search for the Ravo uninstaller, open up the first website which is the Ravo uninstaller, and the best part is this is the software which is only 6.6 MBs. Click on the download option. Now here scroll down and you will see the three versions. So we are going to download it for free. Click on the free download option. Now it will redirect you to the new page and the download is started. So now you can open up a setup and simply select your language, click on the OK, and then you need to simply click on the I accept, then simply click on the next. If you want a shortcut on your desktop, check this box, click on the next and simply click on the install. So I'm not going to install because it is already installed, so I'm just simply opening. Here you just need to locate the Valorant, and when you find the Valorant, and this is only the software that will delete all the registry related to the Valorant or all the files or the folders. Right click on it, click on the uninstall, and if you want a system restore point, then you can check this by I recommend you to uncheck this. Click on the continue, and if there is selected to the any other like the moderate or the safe, so you need to just simply select the advanced. Make sure you select the advanced, then simply click on the scan. Then it is scanning for the all the files or the registry related to the Valorant. First it will give you all the registry items like the keys or the values in your registry. So you need to just select them all and just simply hit the delete. So once you delete it, click on the next option, just simply click on the yes, and then it will give you all the leftover files or the folders related to the Valorant. Here you will see the folder is the 42 found and the files is the 1206 found and the total is the 49 GB. So you need to just select them all, and don't worry, these are all the files or the folder related to the Valorant. So you need to delete them all if you want to uninstall it. So simply click on the select all, then simply click on the delete, and now the Valorant is completely uninstalled from your PC. And guys, this is how you can completely uninstall the Valorant. And if you find this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.